Hello students, this is WBCS 2021 solution, and in this one I will be solving part 6 from 76. I will be starting the highest peak of the Eastern Ghats. The highest peak of the Eastern Ghats. Here the answer is C. Okay, so Jindagara is really one of the most beautiful and highest peaks. And 77 NRC is now in the form of, so what kind of form it is now? It is in the form of act. First it was a bill, from that it was made an act very quickly. Chipko Andolan is known as what kind of thing? So a lot of girls were hugging the trees and they were not letting them to be cut. So 78 answer is a feminist movement. Okay. Which medieval ruler introduced Ain-e-Dahshala? Ain-e-Dahshala. So it was been introduced by one of the world's greatest, Akbar. Niti Aayog was formed on, so they want the date here. So this is January 1, 2015. Please remember this date. 81. Which revolutionary leader made mercy petitions from jail? So mercy petitions from jail was mostly done by V.S. Savarkar. Next, who was propagated the safety valve theory, and about which organization? So A.O. Hume or Alan Octavian Hume, about Indian National Congress. Common question of history. The Asian gold medalist boxer passed away recently at the age of 42. Who he was? So his name is Dinko Singh. Very unfortunate. Khutwa was a sermon read in the name of the ruler at the Friday prayers. This is correct. Luckily, very first option is right. Next, 85. The largest glacier of India. Within India, it is the Siachen Glacier. Next, mica producing district of West Bengal is only one here. So here it is Purulia. Who wrote Ramcharitmanas? Tulsidas. A battery consists of 10 cells. Each EMF is 1 volt. If 12 cells were wrongly connected, the EMF of the battery becomes, so if they are wrongly connected, so it will be half of it. So 10, 2 cells wrong. So if these two are wrong, so the associated 2 cells will also be wrong. So 10 minus 4, answer is 6 volt is the power they will be generating. Because everything has to be associated with another one. So let me just explain it to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if 1 with 7 is wrong, 2 with 8 is wrong, so then the correct ones are associated with this. Okay. So here 10 cells, so 10 minus 4, 6. The associated river, the which of the following river divides West Bengal and Assam? So West Bengal and Assam dividance is being done by Sankosh River. Not one of the most famous rivers, but they did this distinction. So which Turkish Sultan introduced the Iqta system? So it was introduced by, again, Iltutmish. Iltutmish, please remember the name. So what is this Iqta system is all about? So under the Iqta system, the land of the empire was divided into several large and small tracts like this. Okay, called Iqta, and assigned these Iqtas to his soldiers, officers and nobles. Okay, so this is the Iqta system which they have asked about. 91. Who wrote the drama Nil Darpan? Nil Darpan was written by Dinabandhu Mitra, one of the most famous books. The new station considered and established by India in March 2012 for scientific research in Antarctica. And the name of this is Bharati. भारत से है इसलिए. So hydraulic press is based on what? So hydraulic press is based on actually Pascal's law. Next, a person on a swing stand up. The time period of the swing. What will be the time periods? So over the time period will fall. So the swings this to this to this, so this is shrinking in both the sides. Next, who was the editor of the nationalist newspaper Shondha? And the name of the person is Brahmabandhu Upadhyay.